Paymaster.
And I don't want to block my logo.
Down the road, once the system is up and running, we have made many promises and
what has been happening is that it takes a long time for money to be collected and to be captured in our organization, at the head office. So we have estates, for example, in Mombasa. Changamwe estate is ours, where a tenant pays manually into a bank, gets a receipt, and it takes a whole 2 weeks for the information to come to our organization. Yeah? So this system will be able to ensure that when you pay, it's immediately recorded in our head office, and no one will be able to come and harass you.
And I think the project is going to be a fundamental change in the way NHC delivers services. And ultimately, you're looking for how to deliver the cheapest real estate for the citizens, and also at the same time reduce the cost of real estate development.